Hey everybody, today let's take a look at how to create and print seating charts in PowerSchool. So the first thing we want to do is start on the start page here, and we'll come to seating chart, and by clicking that icon it launches us into the seating chart. From here you could actually take attendance, for example, but we want to design a new seating chart, so we'll use the tab here called Seating Chart Design. And as you can see, my seating chart right now is currently blank. So the first thing I need to do is add some tables for today, and I'm going to go 2x8 with 2 tables across, horizontal layout, so I'll add that. You can see I've got my tables now. I need to come in and add my teacher desk, and also I can add the whiteboard and add a door. So from here I have my class layout set up, and I can rearrange this a little by selecting several at a time. You can see I'm just dragging over those. I can also click a couple. While they're orange, I'm able to move seats pretty much any way I want. Oh, you notice I didn't unclick this group over here, so I'll unclick these guys, drag them down, and so now I have a seating chart that's kind of arranged right here. What I want to do now is populate it with my students. So if I click on populate over here on the left hand side, I can choose alphabetically, alternating male, female, random, and so on. I'm just going to do random, starting at the top left, and so now you can see all my students are here. In the event that you have a couple of extra desks, and you might do that in a row layout, for example, all you need to do is select that desk and then click remove, and you can do that with multiple desks at the same time. Okay, so now I have my seating chart set up. The great thing is I can come in now, save this seating chart, and I can come in and also create a new layout with maybe partner groups in it, for example. And this can be multiple seating charts per class. So I've got a new layout now, so I can come in and say this time I want rows, and I need, let's do 6 rows with just 2 in each row. So now I've kind of got partner groups. I add those to my class, and now I can populate these with my students, and we'll put them this time alphabetically, and the students populate those rows. You can see I had more than were available at the time. So for here now I can create some more partner groups. Let's take this bunch and just scoot them over a little bit, and so now I can set up these partners to be partners for maybe a writing activity or a STEM activity, for example. And so these kids could be assigned as partners to work together on whatever project that we have. Once finished, of course, I'm going to save this partner group. Now, what do I do with it? How do I get this out printed? Best way to go about that, of course, is to make this a little bit larger. You can see I've got my slider here. If I keep this small like this, when I come up to print screen at the top, it's only going to take up that much of the page, which seems kind of small. So I'll come down here. I want to drag this up just a little bit, maybe halfway or so. When I hit print screen now I've got a more readable layout, and from here all I need to do is click print, and then I've got a printed copy of this that I can use in my roll book or hand to a substitute, have them ready to go. Okay, I hope that covered enough to get you going with seating charts in PowerSchool. Very useful, very powerful, and multiple seating charts per class. So keep that in mind as you're creating your seating charts. Meanwhile, have a great day.